Which impact driver is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 Milwaukee M18 and Xgt impact drivers to get to the heart of what really sets them apart. Product number 1, M18 Fuel 1.4 Impact Driver. The Milwaukee Electric M18 Fuel 1.4 Impact Driver caught my attention right away with its sleek design and impressive price tag of $168.07. If you want a powerful compact tool that can boost your productivity on the job site, this is worth a serious look. So here's the deal. This driver has the fastest driving speed of any impact driver available, which means you can get your tasks done quicker without sacrificing power or control. With 2,000 pounds of torque, it's perfect for heavy-duty applications. Plus, the tri-LED lighting ensures you can see every detail of your workspace, even in low-light conditions. The 4-mode drive control gives you the flexibility to choose the right speed and torque for the job, preventing stripping of screws and damaging materials. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're working on tight or intricate projects, this level of control is essential. Now, some people complained about the weight, saying it feels a bit lightweight. Here's the thing though, for an impact driver, a lighter weight can actually be a plus, especially during long jobs where fatigue can set in. It's all about personal preference. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable and efficient impact driver for daily work in construction or DIY projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something for heavy engineering tasks that require an even higher torque. For the price, this tool offers excellent value for money. Product number 2, M18 Trade Brushless 1.2 High Torque Impact Wrench. Next up, we have the Milwaukee M18 Trade Brushless 1.2 High Torque Impact Wrench priced at $215.04. What caught my attention here is its serious torque capability. If you're looking for raw power, this one's worth checking out. This wrench packs a punch with up to 800 ft-pounds of fastening torque and 1,200 ft-pounds of nut-busting torque. The REDLINK intelligence technology optimizes performance and provides overload protection, which is crucial when you're dealing with tough jobs. The variable speed trigger allows for precise control, reaching up to 1,750 RPM, so you can tackle any task without worrying about overdoing it. Here's why this matters. Having that control means you can avoid damaging the materials you're working with, which saves time and money. Some users mention that it can be a bit bulky, which might not be ideal for everyone. Now for me, the power outweighs the size. However, if you're looking for a compact option, this might not be your best fit. This is perfect for you if you often work with heavy-duty projects requiring high torque. Skip this one if you need a more portable option or if you're just doing light household tasks. Considering its features, it's a solid investment. Product number 3, M18 Fuel 1.4 3.4 High Torque Impact. Moving on to the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1.4 3.4 High Torque Impact priced at $417.42. I was genuinely surprised by its advanced features for managing big jobs. If you need serious torque, this is definitely worth your attention. The OneKey technology allows you to customize and track your tool's performance through your phone, which is pretty neat if you're managing multiple tools or jobs. The brushless motor ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. Plus, the robust construction means this tool can withstand tough job site conditions. This matters if you rely on your tools daily because it means fewer replacements and repairs. However, the price is a bit steep and some users felt it was too much for casual use. Here's the truth. If you need the power and features for demanding tasks, the price is justified. But if you're just a weekend warrior, you might want to consider other options. This is perfect for professionals needing top-tier performance for heavy-duty work. Skip this one if you're just starting out or don't need that level of torque. It's a solid investment for those who need it. Product number 4, M18 Compact 1.2 Impact Wrench. Now let's talk about the Milwaukee Compact 1.2 Impact Wrench. Priced at $301.80, it caught my eye because of its compact design. If you need something lightweight without sacrificing performance, this is worth considering. The M18 compact impact wrench is designed for easy portability, making it ideal for tight spaces. The compact size means you can work in tight corners without the frustration of larger tools getting in the way. This is especially valuable for automotive or construction jobs where space can be limited. Here's why this matters. The combination of power and size helps you get the job done faster and with less hassle. That said, some users reported it doesn't have the same torque as larger models, which could be a drawback for some. Honestly, if you need extreme torque for heavy machinery, this might not be your best bet. But for most standard jobs, it holds its own. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself in tight spaces needing a reliable tool. Skip this one if you require maximum power for heavy-duty work. It's a good value for the performance it offers. Product number 5, Xgt 14 Impact Driver. Lastly, we have the Xgt 14 Impact Driver, a budget-friendly option at just $58.15. What intrigued me was its compact and flexible design. If you're just starting out or need a backup driver, this is a solid choice. This driver boasts a maximum torque of 220 ft-pounds, which is impressive for its size. The 3-speed settings allow for precise control, which is a big plus for anyone working on detailed projects. Plus, the built-in LED light is a thoughtful touch for working in dark spots. Here's why this matters. If you're doing home repairs or automotive work, having that flexibility and control can make all the difference. However, a common complaint is that it doesn't come with a battery, which might be frustrating if you don't already own one. But if you're looking for a simple, reliable impact driver at a great price, the lack of a battery can be overlooked. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight tool for casual use or just want to add something handy to your kit. Skip this one if you want a heavy-duty driver for extensive projects. Overall, it's a great value for the price. To wrap it up, we took a close look at 5 great options. The M18 Fuel 14 Impact Driver for its speed and control, the M18 Trade Brushless for raw power, the M18 Fuel 1 Key for advanced tech, the Compact 12 Impact Wrench for tight spaces, and the Xgt for budget-conscious buyers. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so choose one that fits your specific needs and enjoy tackling your projects with confidence.